Oh, hey guys, welcome back. You're probably wondering what the heck I am doing to this beautiful blue squash. Well, quite frankly, I'm drilling holes in it. I don't know exactly why I'm drilling holes in it. I'm doing it because Kelly told me to do it.
This is true.
I have a couple more to drill. Since Kelly told me to do it, I made her be in this video with me.
Which is fair.
Yeah, so we're doing a crafting video. This is Kelly's idea. So I'm going to let Kelly tell you a little bit more about it.
All right.
Kelly, what the heck are we doing? Why am I drilling holes into this beautiful blue squash?
Those are all fair questions. And what we are doing is creating living floral arrangements with these pumpkins. And what that basically means is we are drilling some holes in the pumpkins.
Okay.
And then we're going to take plant material and flowers that we've pulled from the yard. We've actually gathered some here. I know you've got some there.
Okay.
And then we're going to kind of place the flowers and plants into the spaces we drilled. And it sort of creates this sort of living flower arrangement.
Okay, I love that. So we're actually using the pumpkins and the squash or gourds as a vase for the flowers.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, this is kind of cool. This is thinking a little bit out of the box. And
Yeah.
it seems really simple.
Yeah.
So I've been drilling these holes. Kelly, what if they don't have a drill? Do we have to use a drill to make these holes?
Definitely not. So a drill definitely speeds up the process.
Yeah.
So makes it really easy.
Yeah, it was
but
easy.
If you don't have one, you can use a skewer. You could use even something like a hammer and a nail. Just something to pierce the pumpkin.
Okay, and the thing that I really like most about this is this seems like something that the whole family could do together.
Definitely, like gathering all the plant material, deciding what goes where, and if you want to make sort of a pattern on the pumpkin. Really, the sky's the limit on this one.
Yeah, so after you do the drilling, the kids could come in, they could do the arranging.
Yeah.
They could help you pick the flowers outside, so it gets everybody outside and doing something together, which is always really, really nice.
Definitely.
So I'm liking this idea a lot better, Cal.
Oh, good. That's good.
So I guess it's time to start. I think I'm going to do sort of a more kind of romantic look. I think this kind of sagey bluish green color on the blue squash
pumpkin. Yeah.
might look good with some hydrangeas and sedum and a little arborvitae.
Oh, perfect.
What are you going to be using? What kind of material?
So I have this beautiful white, it's a Casper or not snow, ghost pumpkin.
Yeah, the color of snow.
Yeah, the color of snow.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I'm going to use, I think, a combination of these yellow wildflowers. I also have some purpley pinks in here just for some real contrast. And I've already pre-drilled some holes on my pumpkin here. So I'm going to do the sort of spiral going down.
Oh, cool. That'll look pretty.
Yeah.
So that would be really nice if we had a stack like this. And you kind of did a spiral of flowers all the way down. It kind of looked like a wedding
Like
cake.
a cake almost.
Right.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'm liking this. This is really cool. So I'm going to focus on mine.
I'll focus on mine too.
Okay.
All right. So I'm actually going to move these over here.
I'm going to start, I think, with my, these are quick fire hydrangeas.
Ooh, I like those.
Yeah, they turn this really beautiful burgundy color in the fall.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, they start out really like citrusy in tone, but as we go, they get to this kind of rosy pink, and I love them. I think they're so pretty, and they last a really long time.
Oh, that's excellent.
Yeah. And I already cut mine, Cal, so I took off some of the leaves.
Oh, yeah, definitely we found with this shorter stems is really beneficial. Makes it a little easier to, place them where you want.
Okay, yeah, I took off some of the leaves, cut the stems so they wouldn't stick out too far. And I really love this color contrast.
You have really romantic colors. I
Yeah.
like that.
Now I'm going to use a little bit of the sedum. Did you see these? The little sedum
Ooh,
vases
those are
perfect.
pretty.
Yeah, they're in beautiful bloom this time of the year.
I have a few of these buddleia flowers. They're so pretty. It's almost jewel toned.
Oh, nice. Yeah, they're like, yes, those are very vibrant. I love those. And Cal, I thought it'd be kind of fun to use arborvitae.
Ooh, yeah.
Right? That's a little different.
Anything goes with this.
Kind of like shake it up a little. And the tips of this arborvitae actually have a similar tone to the hydrangea.
Ooh, I love it.
Yeah, so I thought that was really pretty. Now I want to use some of these paniculata varieties of the hydrangeas because they're really gorgeous. All right, Kelly, I think I'm done.
Me too.
Oh, Cal, that's beautiful. Oh, yours is gorgeous. Mine's a little heavy. I don't know if I can lift
Oh
it.
my goodness,
But
I love how romantic yours is.
yeah, I mean, I'm not exactly sure what it looks like out there, but I do love the color combo here. I really love the combination of the arborvitae with the hydrangea and then the red fountain grass.
Yeah.
And yours looks really lovely. I like the cascading pattern down the front.
Yeah, so I have a mix here of these wildflowers. We have the buddleia, we have some celosia, some mums, and then as well as this perennial hibiscus. It's a little bit of everything, but I kind of stuck to the primary color scheme.
Oh, that's so sweet. So we could put these inside on a table.
Inside
We
or
could put
out.
them outside on a front stoop, right?
Definitely.
A little covered stoop.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. And I also saw, Kelly, that you made some smaller ones with the white jacks and the little weedy needles.
You don't even have to go nuts with these. You can do as little as 1 or 2 flowers.
And those would make really nice place settings. So if you're having a small gathering for Thanksgiving, to drill a little hole in a small pumpkin and put a little flower, that would be like a really cute place setting for
Could even
everybody.
write their name right on the pumpkin.
Yeah, I love it. So Kelly, I have to say I was a little skeptical about this idea to start, but I really do love it, and I think it's really simple, easy, a great thing for the whole family to do. And I thank you for joining me today, and I thank you for making me drill holes in my blue squash. And thanks a bunch. We'll see you next time.